advanced flight controls combined with its powerful engines allow the F-22 to pull more than 9 times the force of gravity. Watch from the right as the Raptor demonstrates its tight turn capability with the minimum radius horizontal turn and that powers straight up into the vertical. Then watch as Major Larson changes his direction with the amazing J-turn repositions. Stuart, Florida, if you ever wonder where those bombs and missiles hide, here is your dedicate this next pass to the men and women of the armed forces and their families who support them. We would also like to remember our wounded warriors and veterans in attendance, and those who have given their lives defending this great nation. This will be your best photo opportunity, so get your cameras ready and capture this salute. Now, from behind and to the right, the F-22 Raptor proudly presents the dedication pass. Closely as the aircraft pulls into the vertical and executes a 360-degree aileron roll. Then altitude the jet will then flip backwards and level off. Execute an immediate 360-degree flat turn, then reverse the turn in the opposite direction. Brad, spin it up! Why the aircraft is unmatched in a vertical flight, as it carves through a loop and doubles its altitude at the end. At the top of the loop, you'll see the Raptor rotate around one spot in the sky, utilizing the vector thrust of two powerful engines, which will literally flip the aircraft through the vertical and back to level flight. Ladies and gentlemen, to my favorite song, the F-22 Raptor Power Loop. are phenomenal. Watch now as Major Larson repositions the aircraft and crowd right. Reduces the power, slowing the Raptor down to less than 90 knots and loads up on a high angle of attack. After the pass, you'll once again feel the raw power of the jet as Major Larson lights those afterburners and climbs straight up into the verticals. Ladies and gentlemen, from the right, the F-22 Raptors power loop to slow speed pass. Ladies and gentlemen, ride the train! Our demonstration. Ladies and gentlemen, named after the late legendary Bob Hoover, the Raptors Hoover Pit.